this is Sakshi and I heartily welcome you all to Books with Sakshi. I really hope that you all are doing great, and since it is weekend, so I decided that I'll be arranging my bookshelf because the books on my shelf are literally catching dust, and this is something that I literally don't like. And so it was weekend and I also decided that why not shoot a video. And I also hope that you people really like it because I've never made a video like this, so I'm pretty excited as well as nervous. First of all, I'm actually going to show you people my bookshelf, how it is currently, and then I'm going to arrange it. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here's my bookshelf, and you people can already see how messy it is, at least according to me. I like my things to be organized a little way, and also there was a lot of dirt that this bookshelf was catching, so I decided that I'll arrange my books again. And on top there are books that I have not read yet and I'm really planning to read them. Also my current reads are always placed on the top of my shelf, and some other miscellaneous item is just lying around there. And inside this I have the books that I've already read, and I'll be talking about them later. And so now let's get started. So as we readers already know, our books can catch dust, and because of that reason only, the books that I've already read, I decided to keep them in these paper bags so that they don't actually catch dust. So I only had like few, so I could not do it for every book. And so it is all done, and now I'll be keeping all the books that I have not read here, and then inside this I'll be keeping the books that I have already read and that are under that paper cloth. And so that's how I'm going to arrange it now. And so here it is. Finally, I have arranged everything, and on top I have made several changes, but inside it I have kept things almost similar as it was before, because there's not much to change. But on top I have placed all the books that I have not read yet, and now it looks much better because I like things to be organized. And so yeah, we are done with it, and I'm so happy and proud of myself after doing this. So guys, that was it, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I could finish cleaning my shelf, I would say within few minutes only. I don't exactly know how much time I actually took, but I guess around 20-25 minutes. That was the minimum time that I took. And I really feel so happy because I just like my books to be organized. I don't like them to be just lying around in a messy way. So that's why weekly or in every 14 to 15 days I always feel that now I need to arrange my books again by cleaning off the dust and all those kind of things. So I was about to do this today, and so I thought that why not just record it. So that's what I did. And if in case you like this video, which I really hope you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I bring new videos every single week, and so I cannot wait to see you in the upcoming videos. And until next time, take care.